Hello. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Julia. Hello, Tita Josie. Ayan. Uy, marami tayo. Okay, Julia, I'm gonna speak more of Tagalog. It's just okay with you. Okay, so guys, good morning. So ano, excited ng lahat. Meron din namang mga ibang nagulat pa dito. So, excuse. Um, okay, so I know guys, marami sa inyong hindi pa naintindihan ng what's happening, no? So, Tita Josie as our upline, pero I know alam niyo naman ang nangyari na sa yung sad news natin, but the door closes. Sabi nga nila, when the door when the door close, there's more, not just door but windows of opportunities are coming. So this is it. So ang tip ko lang sa inyo guys is just have an open mind, kami naman, like I said, ako po, my respect and trust sa leadership ni Tita Josie. It's more than 100%, plus with the help of the corporate of LB, they highly recommend this will become our new home and our new leader with Julia, in the US. So coming from them, coming from Kristen, coming from Tara Wilson, coming from Jake Hines, coming from LB Corporate, and coming from Tita Josie, na let's take a look at this company and this team. Ako, hindi ko na siya kinwestiyon. 100% take a look. I know maraming nagulat, parang nawalan na tayo ng drama time, nag-move on na tayo. Pero I think we have to move on because sabi nga nila, no, there are things that's out of control. But more than that, I want you guys to be more excited because there's no ending. There's just new beginning, no? And just have an open mind, pakinggan yung maigi. Kasi talagang napakinggan namin to, talagang na-inlove kami kaagad. Um, we will gonna start this, no? And simulan natin to ng talagang with a different mindset. Let's be full force, talagang let's all in na, no? So, especially with the help ng mga leaders natin, napakarami natin mga leaders dito. And pag nag-align tayong lahat, I know talagang we can start this big, no, for everybody, especially yung mga hindi masyado nakakuha ng success in the past. Maybe eto talaga, no, kaya pala, no, merong reason, no, sa mga may mga success naman before tapos parang naudlot, meron pa rin. It means yung mga natutunan natin doon dadalhin lang natin dito, no. Talaga namang sabi nga nila, we don't lose, we just learn, no, from everything. And so I'm so excited to hear Julia talk, no, and Tita Josie and Kuya Tommy also talk as well. Ano mo naman to, mabilis to sa mga bagay-bagay. So this is really an exciting. This will be part of the history. So guys, again, just have an open mind. Focus muna tayo. If you have to take notes, take notes. So come on, let's do this. So I'll give the floor now to Julia. Back to you, Julia.
Thank you, Jasper, so much. Hi, everyone. How are you? It's evening for here. I'm actually in at a hotel. I have a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old. I have little kids, and they're home. And I came out here to just kind of mastermind, and we're getting ready for some really great launches in different countries, to include the Philippines. So it's an honor to be here. It's 8:15 p.m. my time. I know it's the morning for you on a Saturday, so. But it's an honor, and to work with somebody like Jasper and Jeffrey, who you're healed from, and their leadership is just, you guys have a phenomenal team and an amazing reputation. And I believe that what you'll see here will absolutely blow your mind with this mission. So I'm going to breeze through a little bit of our company ownership, how we've had 7 years of growth, a little bit about our system, why we are the number one team in the entire company for the last year and a half now, or over a decade now. And then we'll answer some questions at the end, and we're giving away some prizes as well. So My background, I came from nothing. I had immigrant grandparents from Puerto Rico. I came from absolutely nothing. I grew up on a free lunch system. I moved out at 16 years old and got my first job at McDonald's, and that was the first job that would hire me at 14 years old. And I did everything corporate said and get a good job and get good grades. And I found myself at 30 years old in a lot of debt, $40,000. And I found this industry almost 10 years ago, and it changed my life. My husband was a Navy SEAL, which means he just was gone 300 days out of the year. I never saw him. And the divorce rate was over 90%. And I just wanted to be able to travel the world. And because of the systems here that I will share with you and the community and everything that school didn't teach me, I've been full time now for almost 10 years. My kids have been to 11 countries. I've been to 44. We travel everywhere. We've donated and raised close to almost $1 million combating human trafficking and feeding families around the world. And we have hosted hundreds of events all throughout multiple countries to help people become that best version of them. But here's really why, I'm here and what's happening, right? Because the reality is that most people know that natural is better, right? But they're overwhelmed and they're confused. They're exhausted, but they're running on fumes, right? They wake up so tired, but they're going to bed even worse. And so people think that they're the only one struggling, but the reality is millions of people are feeling the same. And so here's what we found. This company has a simple, innovation, like the most incredible system that you've ever found in the industry. We have science-backed holistic products, a community built on facts, faith, and integrity, where over 300,000 families in just the last few years alone in our community have experienced what we have. And so we have had 7 years of back-to-back growth. Not very many or any other companies in the industry are really able to say that. And I'll share with you exactly why that is. Okay. So this is our owner. This is David Chung. He is a Korean billionaire, a super successful businessman, lives in New York City now, and everything is built on reputation. He is a serial entrepreneur. He was just featured in Forbes, the #1 business magazine in the world, for what he is doing with our company and in this industry. And he owns several companies outright. So he has a manufacturing facility. He has a real estate company. He owns a packaging company. He owns a marketing company. He owns an IT and software company, right? And so he's really at the forefront of everything I'm about to share with you. And everything I also share with you is at the utmost excellence when it comes to certifications, clean, and where I come from in America, there's just a lot of shady companies with ingredients. And he goes above and beyond, and I'll show you how he does that with the efficacy and the integrity of our products. And so for the last 7 years, you can see here how we are in this really beautiful sweet spot of hyper growth, right? That's where everyone wants to be at the forefront. And so our company's name is Amare. It means love in Latin, and we are the mental wellness company. How many of you remember how crazy COVID rocked the entire world? Drop yes in the chat. People were lonely, they were exhausted, they were anxious, they were fearful. And so we had this massive height of just fear and anxiety. And a lot of our children also were like, took on that stress, right? And so with COVID and when we launched several years ago, there's just been this massive, I would say, virality of our company with our products. And you'll see exactly why that is in a second. So our organization, we've invested over $500,000 in our systems, in our mentorship, and I'll share with you what you get access to for free. We have done over 10 million a month in sales. We've paid out over $300 million to families all around the world, over 500,000 customers. We've created well over, I think it's actually over 200 6- and 7-figure earners. I talked about what we've raised for charity, and we are the only company the only team in the entire company that has representation on the CEO Council all around the world. And we are the fastest growing team on 3 continents. So here's why we're here, and here's why I'm here, the social need. 1 in 4 people that you and I know are struggling with their mental health, with being happy. And these numbers are exponentially growing. Our kids as young as 5 years old, our children, are getting clinically diagnosed with mental health struggles, right? Most people or high performers are going straight to pharmaceutical drugs or high energy drinks. And long term, that's really dangerous. And so, science has actually proven that the issue is not in your head or my head, it's actually in our gut. And so, mental wellness, being happy, living in joy is not just one thing. It's actually five different pillars that we'll cover in the next 15 minutes in terms of overall mental wellness, financial wellness, purposeful wellness. It's multiple things, right? So, I'll play a quick 1 minute video on the science. Check this out.
Where we sit right now in history is right at the cusp of a complete paradigm shift in how we think about mental wellness. If we had a problem that we perceived here, it seemed like it made sense that it was in the brain and we should target the brain. And that's what we've been doing for the last 100, 200 years. What we're realizing now is that maybe that isn't our primary target. And what we're seeing here in the brain is a secondary effect of something else that's happening in the body. And what we've just learned in the last 5 to 10 years is that yes, that is a secondary effect. The primary effect, and therefore the primary target, is in the gut. That's the second brain. That's where we have 100 trillion bacteria in our intestines. That number is more than there are stars in the galaxy, in the Milky Way. So the gut microbiome makes more serotonin than the brain does. That's the feel-good neurotransmitter. It makes more dopamine than the brain. In order for these neurotransmitters in the gut to have their effect in the brain, they have to be able to communicate with each other. And they do that through chemicals that the gut makes, chemicals that the bacteria make, that travel throughout the body, that signal through the nervous system, that signal through the immune system. This idea of the gut-brain axis, targeting the brain, but targeting the second brain in the gut, and then targeting the communication network between them, that axis, that's really the forefront of medicine these days, and the forefront of science, and the forefront of how we're going to actually get ahead of all these mental wellness issues and have a benefit in people's lives.
So pretty cool, right? And so I think this is one of my favorite slides as a mom with kids is I want to know what is going in the products. I want products that are third party, lab tested, research back, all natural, right? And so our company tests for everything from pesticides to glyphosate to heavy metals, right? These are extremely important to what you're consuming in your body because there just is not a lot of that in the world. And you have to be really careful when it comes to what you are putting into your body. And so this company has everything from the clinical studies. We have 60-page data sheets. We produce everything in-house, our R&D, our manufacturing, everything we're able to control to make sure that not only is it patent and protected, but it is the best quality product out there. And so this is one of our superpower products called Happy Juice. Drop happy in the chat if you know someone that wants to be 211% happier, okay? This product is clinically proven to lower tension, right? Just feelings of sadness, anger, irritability, right? Yeah, I see your hand, Terry. As a mom, like my patience is my ultimate, like, okay, God, give me some patience today, right? It lowers fatigue, it lowers confusion. It improves overall mood by 211%, and it's clinically proven to decrease negative mood by 105%. And so all it is it's a three-part product. Number one is Mentibiotics. This is a probiotic and prebiotic that's going to support your body's natural production of serotonin and GABA, right? Those are your feel-good neurotransmitters. That's going to help reduce stress. That's going to help your overall mood. If you have high cortisol levels, that stubborn belly fat that won't go away, that's typically because of high cortisol levels. You're operating in fight or flight. You're exhausted all the time. So it doesn't matter what you do, what diet you do, you're not going to lose that weight because your body is stuck in stress. Then when you add Edge and Energy, which is a nootropic and a natural plant-based energy product, this is going to support your body's natural production of dopamine. Dopamine is your natural product for motivation, right? And this is powered by incredible natural ingredients to just give you amazing energy. So our most testimonials from our customers are, oh my gosh, I have my wife back. I have my husband back. I have my life back. Things that bothered me and that would, bring me down don't bother me as much. How many of you just feel like life just slaps you in the face every day or once a week? Or just if you have kids like me, it's like you're pouring from an empty cup. And this product is helping people function properly for the first time in their lives and give them that patience and ease to get through life with joy, right? And we have a 90-day money back guarantee. So because this product has just been going viral around the world, in the Philippines, we will be launching a kids happy juice. All right. So stay tuned for that. It has been just going viral in North America. And then let's shift gears. Last few products here. The world is extra stressed, right? And because all of our food is processed, right? How many of you know people that do fast food and McDonald's or Burger King, or I don't know what fast food restaurants are in Philippines right now? Just so I know. I've been to 44 countries, but I've never been to Philippines, and I cannot wait to be out there with you guys this year. But okay, KFC. Okay, yeah, Kentucky Fried Chickens. Okay. So it's processed food, right? It's not the best. And so our soil's depleted, our nutrients are deficient. And so if you're like, I wonder if I have some, inflammatory things going on, some very obvious signs are if you're just constantly exhausted and feeling heavy. If you're in a state of overwhelmed, if you have joint issues, hormonal issues, weight balance, I'm not going to go through all the things, then most of our doctors recommend the Triangle of Health. And this product has won several awards all around the world. So check this out. Sunrise is 22 liquid superfoods. How many of you drop me in the chat, don't eat 15 servings of fruit and vegetables a day? I don't. My kids don't either, okay? If I travel a lot. So Sunrise is a liquid superfood. Broccoli, kale, spinach, ashwagandha, blueberries, okay? This is going to protect your body from all that antioxidant stress. Sunset, we have won best in the world for fish oil several times. These are your omega-3s for healthy blood sugar levels, healthy cholesterol levels. And we have so many studies on our ingredients. And then lastly is Nitra Extreme. This product, nitric oxide, won the Nobel Prize in 1998 for its discovery. It repairs and maintains and defends every single cell in the body for circulation and a healthy inflammatory response. So we have other products. We have a phenomenal grass-fed liquid collagen for your gut health, hair, skin, and nails. We have an amazing 5-in-1 digestive support with pre and probiotics for liver and kidney support called Restore. And we are expanding our product line. So we have a testimonial group with over 100,000 people from all over the world that are sharing our products. We do not claim to treat, cure, or diagnose anything. This is about awakening that inner doctor within you to start functioning better, to start sleeping better, to start getting your life back, to getting your patients back. And we're continuing to expand this product line. So this line that I'll share very briefly, our owner, David Chung, owns a product called the Rootis, and it is the #1 product in Sephora that we're able to market that is coming to the Philippines this fall. Okay. It is spreading like wildfire. It is like kombucha for your hair. We'll give you more details on that. It's 80% waterless, but it is a phenomenal product that you will have the first to market in all of Asia. So as I wrap up here for some customer perks, your customers or yourself, if you're like, I want to try the products, you'll get a $10 link to share with your friends, and boom, you can get free products. We have a great subscribe and save reward system, okay? And then we'll talk a little bit about compensation. I'm going to bring Jeffrey up in a minute, but I just want to share a little bit of our culture and our systems, and then we'll go into exactly how you can earn for your family every single week, 5 times a month. All right. Our community is focused around these 7 areas of growth for an extraordinary life. And so with our company, though, we also love to travel. Drop me in the chat if you love to travel. We have trips right now. We have 2 of them. One is in Disney World next month. And then we also are going to Cabo, Bali, or Iceland. So Philippines are headed to Bali. It is an all-night 5-star resort hotel. We have airfare that you can earn just by helping other people. Okay, that's with the company. And so in our system, we have automated live launch system for every single partner of yours. We have 3 to 5 minute short videos that explain exactly how to generate leads immediately and start earning as you're learning. And then we have a 30-day launch guide, which is going to tell you exactly what to post and how to connect within our system. Okay. We also have tons of tools for your fingertips, from onboarding to an app with thousands of pieces of content. How many of you drop yes in the chat if you love to build on social media? Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, right? But maybe you just don't want to think about it. You're like, I want to bring in leads, but I don't want to have to create about all the content. I see Christy, I see Sharon, I see Joyce, I see, okay, awesome. Jess, hi, Lee. So we have thousands of pieces of content. We have faceless marketing videos with Happy Juice. We have AI prompts where you can use ChatGPT and plug in our proven posts and captions for Reels to start generating leads and bring them in around the clock. We even have freebies and funnels, and we will share with you what that looks like. But we have invested just in the last 6 months over $30,000 to automation systems as well. So if you build on social media, or if you know some influencers that are not monetizing their brand, we have the only system in the company, and from what I know in the industry, where we have built out drip campaigns. What that means is, let's say Ellen or Angel or Lenny or Joyce on here drops the word happy, the code word is happy on a reel. Well, our system will nurture and message that person and collect their email and their information and communicate with them to help them enroll. It is a beautiful system, and we have people that are enrolling hundreds and hundreds of customers every single month. And there is no other team in the entire company that has what we have. We also love to travel. So we just did an event in New York City for all of our top leaders. We have hosted everything from marriage retreats to leadership events. We did a mastermind in New York City and a wealth summit in Las Vegas. And then this year we are headed to Dubai as well. So when our partners hit different milestones, we love to gift them really great gifts. But we also love to do trips. And so when you hit $500,000 earned within our organization, we also do an all expenses paid for trip to Dubai. And we are going again in at the end of October. All right. So our next convention, before I pass it on to the Mr. Jeffrey Reyes, is our Asia Pacific, our APAC convention in Manila, in Philippines, which is January 22nd to 24th. We are the only organization in the entire company that has produced several diamonds in the last year. We have the largest organization in the company coming to convention, and we have the most innovative systems that we consistently plug into for you guys to have that best system for you, online, offline, and also for your influencers as well. And so what you see right now with Amare is really you're at the forefront as we're getting ready to now launch in Asia. So we went from 3 countries to almost 30 countries in less than 2 years, 2.5 now. I guess we're at 2.5 now, moving into more countries. And so where you see now, you can go to intro-to-amare.com, and you will see all the countries that we're expanding into, or are into, and will continue to expand. And what I will say before I pass to Jeffrey here is, your leadership is brilliant. Connecting with Jasper and Jeffrey and Christy and all of your leadership here, they came in and asked the right questions. They peeled back the curtain. They wanted to make sure they were in the best opportunity for their family and for their friends and for their communities. And they're excited for you guys to hear the compensation plan of things and how to get started, as you are really at the very, very beginning of expanding into Philippines. But we already have 2 distribution centers in the Philippines, one in Manila and Davao, I believe is how you pronounce it. I apologize if I got that wrong. And we're ready to really to expand and grow, and you have an amazing corporate team on the ground. So with that said, I'm going to bring up Mr. Jeffrey Reyes. He's going to talk a little bit about compensation plan. And this gentleman is just brilliant. If you don't know him, you're about to know him. But he is just a family man. He's been in the industry now, I believe, for almost 15 years. And is just a leader of leaders. He was an engineer and knows the compensation plan in and out. So Jeffrey, thanks so much for being on. I'll let you take it away.
Yeah, thank you, Julia. Yeah. So, good morning, everyone. Yan, gising na ba lahat? So, super excited. Actually, kami, hanggang ngayon, inaaral ko ng inaaral ang ating complan. Alam niyo yun, iba yung umano sa utak ko. Lalo kong na-excite. Ang sarap gumising tuloy. Bakit? Kasi nabuhay ulit ang mga pangarap natin. Are you ready? Yan. So, actually, share ko lang yung slide ko. Parang mas nawala. Teka lang. Hold on. Hold on. Wala. Ayan. Okay ba yung screen? Clear? Yan. So, good morning again. So, sabi ko nga, ang ganda rin ng products, no? Bakit doon nagsisimula ang lahat, sa gut natin. So, nakafocus ang company from gut to brain. Yan. So, pag-usapan naman natin, alam ko dito kayo excited kung paano kikita. Tama ba? So, may magandang produkto, may magandang kitaan. So, pag-usapan natin kung paano naman tayo kikita. So, here in Amare, yan, we have our package para at least magkaroon ka ulit ng link. Once na nag-member ka or bumili ka ng package, automatic magkakaroon ka ng link. So, worldwide na yung business natin. How to earn here in Amare. Yan. So, actually, sobrang dali lang sa part natin kasi almost the same lang din naman yung plan niya. Ano niya, yung compensation plan niya sa Live Vantage. Same. So, paano mag-rank advance? So, ang maganda rito, hindi mo na kailangan ng multiple leg. Tama? So, ang nakikita namin strategy, kahit 2 legs lang, okay na. Yan. So, how to earn? So, may tinatawag tayong Me and 3 bonus. How to earn in Me and 3 bonus? So, ang gagawin nyo lang naman, for example, nag-member ka, maghahanap ka lang ng minimum 3 direct. Yan. Kapag nag-subscribe sila, ang subscription natin is minimum 100 points lang. Yan. Almost nasa mga 6,500 pesos monthly. Pwede na ba? So, ang maganda naman dito, for example, meron kang 3 direct, nag-reorder ng tigo 100, basta mag-total siya ng 600 points within a month, total, kasama yung customer nila. For example, si brand partner, ang tawagan pala natin dito is BP. Ano ibig sabihin ng BP? Brand partner. Si BP1, meron siyang 100 points, personal, and then may customer siyang 100. BP2, BP3, so overall, nag-total ng 600, meron kang 2,700 pesos bonus. Yan. So, ang maganda naman dito, kapag yung tatlo mo, tinulungan mong magkaroon ng tig na tatlo, ayan. So, meron silang tig 227, ikaw naman, as direct nila, bibigyan ka ng company ng 13,500 pesos. Okay ba? Madali lang. So, tutulungan lang talaga natin ngayon. Ang maganda, gagawin natin ang sistema ngayon ng tamang-tama. At ang maganda rin dito, gagawin natin ang sistema ng sabay-sabay. Are you ready? Yan. So, unang income, Me and 3 bonus. May tinatawag tayong product pack bonus. Yan. Ano pa, excited kayo rito lahat? Ito yung weekly commission natin. For example, meron kang nakuwang isang 500 points. Yan. So, may nag-member sa'yo ng 500 points, automatic yan. Ang tawag sa'yo, enroller ka. Bibigyan ka ng company ng 20% direct referral. Clear? So, meaning, every time na may nag-member sa'yo, meron kang 20% direct referral. almost, for example, may nag-member 500 points, 20%, ang palitan natin 54, meron kang 5,400 pesos. Kapag nag-rank up ka into silver, paano mag-silver? Ang kailangan mo lang naman is 4,000 points overall volume within naman. So, 2,000, 2,000, silver. Yan. So, yung direct mo, naka-invite siya, meron siyang 5,400. Dahil ikaw ang per silver, meron kang 2,700 pesos. Ang leader naman is 25,000 overall volume. 12.5, 12.5. Leg 1 niya, 12.5. Combination leg niya, 12.5. So, dahil ikaw yung first leader, meron kang 1,350. Clear? So, meaning, 20% sa enroller, 10% kapag silver ka, and then, leader, meron kang 5%. Every time na may nag-e-enroll under your enrollment tree. Next. Meron naman tayong customer. Yan. Kapag, was na same sa katulad natin dati. So, pwede mag-enroll as customer. Kapag nag-total ang customer mo ng 999, so every time na nag-purchase sila, meron kang 5%. Kapag naman nag-total siya ng 1,000 plus yung mga customer mo na nag-e-enroll, bumibili ng product, meron ka namang 10%. Ayan. So, paritan pa rin, 54. Ito yung pinaka-exciting part. Ayan. Actually, dito ako na-amaze. Bakit? Sa overall volume ang pinag-uusapan, hindi level 1, level 2, level 3 ha. Hindi yon. So, ang pag-uusapan natin dito ay overall volume. Yan. So, dalawang leg tayo, di ba? Meron tayong strong leg at meron tayong combination leg. Okay. So, etong balance bonus, eto naman yung combination ng mga small leg mo. So, meron ka ulitin ka, meron kang strong leg and then combination ng mga small leg. Okay. So, kanina pinag-usapan natin yung rank. Okay. Para mag-rank ulit, di ba? Para mag-silver, ang kailangan mo 2,000, 2,000. Strong leg 2,000 and then combination 2,000. Clear? Para mag-silver ka. Para mag-leader, meron kang 12.5 and then combination 12.5. So, meron ka meaning sa lahat ng combination ng yung small leg, lahat ng total nun, combined leg mo, meron kang 12%. Depende sa yung rank by the end of the month. For example, ang rank mo ay silver, meron kang 11% sa total volume ng yung combination of small leg. Clear? Yan, sample. Okay. So, yung combination dyan, di ba, merong base leg. Ang tawag doon, sa leg 1 mo, strong leg mo, or yung base leg, nagtotal siya ng 25,000. And then your combined leg, nagtotal siya ng 15,000. Yung leg B niya, 5,000. Yung leg C niya, 10,000. Okay? So, ang kukuhanin natin para makuha yung balance bonus, combination of all leg. Ilan yung total ng, combined leg? 15,000. So, dyan sa points na yan, ang rank niya ay, anong rank? Ang rank niya ay leader. Kasi nga, 12.5. Tama? 12.5, 12.5. So, leader. So, according sa chart natin, 12% yung leader sa lahat ng balance bonus niya. So, 12%, ang total volume, 15,000 points, times 54, meron kang 97,000. Pwede na ba? Leader pa lang yan. Okay? At isang leg pa lang yan. So, may tinatawag naman, ano naman yung i-incomein mo sa pinaka-strong leg mo. Sa strong leg mo, ang tawag naman doon ay infinity bonus. Clear? So, dito rin, according sa rank mo, dahil nga ang example natin kanina, leader, so your combination, your percentage is 0.75. So, compute natin ang ating infinity bonus. Yan. Example. So, magbe-base naman tayo dito sa base leg naman tayo. So, ang total kanina, as an example, ay 25,000 commissionable volume, ibig sabihin ng CV. Yan. So, according sa chart, kapag leader ka, 0.75%. Yan. So, meron kang additional pa ulit, 97,000 plus 10,000 pesos. Pwede na ba? Yan. Sabi ko nga, okay lang pala, no, kahit kailalim-ilaliman, kahit anong level mo yan, kahit level 10, level 20, level 100, bakit? Ang pinag-uusapan, overall volume ng yung leg. Okay ba? So, kaya don't worry kung anong nasa ang pwesto ka, bakit? Overall volume ang pinag-uusapan. Yan, tsaka hindi level. At tsaka maganda dyan, kino-combine naman yung mga legs natin. Okay ba? So that's the balance bonus and infinity bonus. Okay, eto naman, may tinatawag tayong check match bonus. This is applicable naman sa lahat ng platinum rank and above. So, paano mag-platinum? Para mag-platinum, 15,000 overall volume. Dahil 15,000, 7,575. Okay? So, kapag nagawa mo yon, lahat ng silver and above under your enrollment tree. Enrollment tree. So, meron kang sa Generation 1, for example, platinum rank ka. Meron kang direct na silver. 2,000 lang, ha? 2,000. Dati sa atin, MC1 yan, di ba? 2,000 lang ngayon. Okay? Sa total income niya sa combination leg, meron kang 10%. Kung may downline pa siya na nag-silver and above, meron ka na namang additional 10%. So, dalawang generation yung makukuha mo. As you rank up, mas dumadami yung generation mo, okay? Mas lumalaki ang check match bonus natin. Ito ba yung exciting part? Yan. Gusto niyo ba mas malaking income? Actually, dito kami nalunod. Bakit? Ang daming income dito, ha. For example, ang ibig sabihin ng road to leader, okay, it's time para makuha mo yung goal mo. Road to leader meaning kapag nag-rank up ka, this is 4 out of 6. Kahit hindi sunod-sunod, basta nag-rank ka, doon magsisimula ang road to leader mo. For example, tinatawag ka pa ngayon, after 1 year ka nag-work. Yan. Doon ka nag-silver. Doon magsisimula ang road to leader mo. Yan. For example, on your first month, nag-silver ka, 2,000. Sumunod na buwan, nag-silver ka, tapos na-miss mo, tapos nag-silver ka ulit, 4 out of 6. So, bibigyan ka ng company ng 27,000 pesos after mahit mo siya. For example, consistent ka talaga. Silver. 4,000 points. So, after 4 months, on your 5th month, papasok yung commission mo, 27,000. Clear? Masipag ka. Okay? On your first month, talagang winorkout mo kasi isang buwan to eh. Lalo tayo kung galing tayo doon. Weekly yung goal natin dati, di ba? Sa ating ano. So, dahil ngayon, gagawin mo sa inaman, platinum naman. 15,000 overall volume. 7,575. Nagawa mo siya. In 4, for example, first month mo, nag-15,000 ka, or platinum. On your 4th month, nahit mo siya, 4 out of 6. So, on your 5th month, papasok sa bank account mo, 108,000 plus 54,000 plus 27,000. Okay ba? Ang laki ba? Yan. Isipin mo, on your first month, nag-platinum ka, makukuha mo ng lahat yon kasi dinaanan mo siya. Yan. Ang tawag dyan, road to leader. So, may tinatawag naman tayong rise and reward. After platinum, ang susunod na rank is leader. Ito naman yung 25,000 overall volume. 12,5. Yan. Ang pinag-uusapan naman natin, rise and reward, 3 out of 12 months. Okay? Kahit hindi sunod-sunod, basta makatatlo ka lang in 1 year. So, kapag nag-leader ka, meron kang 162,000 pesos. For example, this month, ang ginol mo ay leader. 25,000 ka. Sumunod na buwan, nag-leader ka ulit. Nag-leader. Okay, makukuha mo na yung 162,000 kasi 3 out of 12 months. Nag-ano ka ulit, nag-leader. So, makukuha mo na 4 out of 6 yung road to leader. So, meron kang 27, 50, tapos meron kang, yung lahat ng income na yon. Okay ba? Nakakalunod, no? So, kaya habang inaaral ka, sabi ko, sobrang ganda ng Complan. Ang sarap trabahuhin, sarap i-work out. Okay ba? So, be excited. Bakit? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Sabay-sabay nating i-workout to. Okay? So, yun lang po. At ang maganda naman na, syempre, ang tatawagin ko naman nga, kung sino yung nag-invite din sa akin dito, actually, kami totally inaaral namin ang inaaral siya. Okay? So, every day, talagang sabi nga, once na winorkout natin, i-focus natin siya. Okay? At ang maganda, ang nag-recommend naman dito is ating Life Vantage family din. Ni-recommend sa atin itong Amare. Kaya sabi ko, okay rin i-workout. Bakit? At nanggaling din naman sa kanila. Okay? So, syempre, tawagin ko naman ang ating upline. Okay? So, tawagin natin si Kuya Jasper Glorina. Thank you.
Ayan. So, na-excite ba kayo? So, Tom, sobrang excited ka. Parang ramdaman namin energy mo. Ang bilis mo natutunan agad yung Complan. So, guys, sa mga hindi pa dyan masyadong naintindihan yung Complan, naiintindihan ko kayo. Pero wag kayong mag-alala, ganun naman sa simula. Pero magugulat kayo pag naayos natin yung mas proper na the way to deliver this. Magugulat kayo kung gaano talaga siya kaganda. Like yung mga, basta, iba talaga siya, no? Actually, yan talaga yung pinaka na-excite actually si Tom, no? So, kung may mga tanong kayo, by the way, no, ito naman, this video is recorded. So, magkakaroon tayo ng copy nito and then we'll send to everybody for the review. Okay? Ayan. So, may mga roadmap dito. Mayroong mga, ano yun, Tom? In 4 months. Ano yun?
Road to leader, meron kang almost nasa Actually, pag ano siya, in 4 months, pwede kang makakuha ng 350,000 pesos. Doon pa lang sa ginagol mo.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Leader. Almost 350,000 makukuha mo na agad.
So in short, ganito guys, para in short ito lang, ito yung takeaway ko, Tom. Correct mo na lang ako. Correct mo ko if I'm wrong. So sa mga kasama na natin before sa previous. So alam ko na miss niyo yung SSB. Meron dito. Yun, na-discuss ito. Hindi nyo lang siguro masyado napansin. Meron ditong MVP. Naalala nyo yung MVP. Meron kang 3, may bonus ka. Tapos second level, meron siya. Tapos yung rank advancement bonus, pag nag-rank ka, meron. Pag na-maintain mo, meron. Malaki. So, yun siya. Tapos meron ding generation match. So in short guys, it's sabi nga namin ni na Tom, parang it's a combination ng old and new. Andito pala talaga siya sa Amari Complan. So talagang nakaka-excite. Kaya rin madali din talaga, no? Mabilis din talaga sila nag-i-income ng malaki. So in short, yung effort mo well compensated ka kaagad. Okay? So yun, so alam ko to, may master mo pa yan, masayusin mo pa yung slide sa mga darating na araw. So magkakaroon din tayo guys ng continuous Zoom meeting and visiting sa office, no? So yun. So I think I need to get back to, okay. So Tita Josie, okay lang po, may papag-sharing lang po ako ng short natin dyan. Tita Josie!
Okay. Thank you, Jasper. Na-surprise naman ako like you. So, I actually sent a message to Jasper today, and I was literally in tears because I know, having worked with so many of you, and nakita niyo you saw what this industry can do for us. And I think we have grown so much with Life Vantage. We have grown so much together as a team. So which means we have the heart, we have the skills. Nandito na yung mindset natin. This industry has changed so many people's lives. So I think this time, guys, this is not a coincidence that nandito kayo. Because nung sinabi sa akin what's going to happen sa LV Philippines, and as you know, I've invested for almost 4 years of love, of sacrifices here for our team because I want the best for you. So I know how much earning some income can make a difference. And we can do it right here in the Philippines. And this is what is a huge benefit with this industry. And I think having met Julia and Amari, it's parang ano ba, parang I think God has been guiding us kasi we've lost something that we love so much. And I know you love it so much. And suddenly here we are. Hindi ito coincidence. Ito na talaga. Ito na talaga magbibigay ng pag-asa sa maraming tao. I don't know if you know, but my youngest daughter has had some mental health challenges. Marami na rin kaming napagdaanan. And I know that around the world, there's so many people na matutulungan natin sa pulo. So, it's not a coincidence na nandito tayong lahat. So, syempre, nung sinabi sa akin ng corporate what's going to happen, I didn't think about Australia, New Zealand. I thought about the Philippines because I want you to, alam, gusto ko na magkakaroon kayo ng success. So mabuti na lang, with Julia, with Amare, with what you have right now. Nandito na. And Julia, and gusto niya talaga. She wants to help this team. Our launch is going to be bigger than ever. They have the experience. She knows what she's doing. Her skills, her ability to produce nandun na. Ang system nandun na. Hindi na natin iisipin. All we need to do is talk to people. We can talk to so many people. There's so much opportunity in this market alone with this company. So ito na, let's make it happen. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks, Jasper, Jeff, and Julia. We'll see you again. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you, tita. So, sa mga lahat ng nandito, talagang after the news, talagang grabe na yung niluha natin. No? Niluha natin. Kasi we pour our heart and soul into it. So, alam nyo naman, no? Tita Josie and the rest of here, once may pinasok tayo, talagang we pour our heart and soul into it. Talagang focus tayo. People come and go, but we always stay. Alam naman nyo yan siguro. And kaya after the news, talagang devastated kami. Hindi namin ang gagawin natin. Pero alam mo yun, as a leader, buti na lang mabilis din kagad mag-isip Tita Josie. Kami rin, nag-isip na rin kagad kami. What's next? Kasi we cannot dwell into drama. We have to move on. As much as we love to continue, there's no way we can continue. As much as the company loves to help us, there's no way that they can help us anymore. So, kaya natuwa naman ako when LB Corporate and the heads of the corporate there, tapos yung mga uplines natin, sabi nila, don't worry, we'll find you a new home, we'll find you a better home. So, they recommended, this company and Julia to us. So, chinek ni Tita Jock to Julia, saw the system, chinek namin yung office. So, sabi namin, sige, let's do this. People are waiting. Kaya, kita nyo naman kung paano kami mag-message sa inyo because we want you to guys see this. Again, this is an opportunity for us to work together again. It's all your decisions, no pressure at all. We're just laying you down the foundation, yung samahan natin, yung system, and the support now that we have with Julia and the rest of the team and the company. We talk to the GM, they're so welcoming. So ang ganda ng culture na, and also sabi ko nga, if God gave us the best gift nung binigay niya sa atin yung previous company, I don't think na hindi siya magbibigay ng bago, no? So, may purpose. Everything has a purpose. So, thank you, Tita. Si Tita talaga pumunta pa siya dito. Pwede namang hindi na. Actually, pwede niya namang hindi na tayo tulungan kasi pwede naman niyang ituloy yung sa Australia. But alam mo yun, nagkaroon talaga kami ng strength nung sabi ni tita, no guys, I will not leave you, I will work with you kung saan tayo. Alam mo yun, yung parang yung nanay mo, di kanya iniwanan. So, and so thankful ako kay Julia, si Julia. Julia is not, this lady, she's not sleeping, Hindi pa tayo nag-start pero iniisip niya na tayo what she's always talking about. How can I help you guys? What do you need? What do you want me to show you? Ano yung Zoom natin? I want to show you the system and all of this. Don't worry, you're in good hands. No, last time yung call niya, she even introduced us to her upline. So parang nagre-reminisce lang yung before that sa previous. So sabi ko, parang nakaka-excite din in a way kasi parang, this is a new start, new opportunity. Yung energy nandun. So sa akin lang, let's work together, hand in hand, guys. Marami na tayo yung kailangan magtulungan dito sa loob. Alam ko maraming magiging chismis, maraming magiging ingay sa labas. So, but hindi naman nila alam yung what's really happening to us. Tayo talaga yun. So, kung meron kayo naririnig, huwag kayo kagad maniniwala. Talk to us one by one. Sit with us. And para marinig nyo talaga ano talaga yung nangyari. And what's more important is what is the direction that we are heading now. So again, thank you for this opportunity. Sa mga leaders natin na nandito, hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa, hindi ko na kayo matawag isa-isa, but let's work hand in hand. Simulan na natin to. Kung ano yung mga pagkukulang natin, I think it's time to adjust. Alam naman natin marami din tayong pagkukulang before. Ito yung wag na nating ulitin dito. Simulan na natin to ng mas tama. Bring the right people. Be the right people as we start this business. Wag nating sayangin ang opportunity na to. Wag kayong matakot na baka mawala na naman. Pag lagi tayong natatakot sa ganyan, mas lalong wala talagang mag-move forward. Always on the positive side, move on. There's always a new beginning. Again, remember, there's always a purpose. Maybe this will be your biggest breakthrough na hindi mo nakuha before. Nandito pala siya. So, just be open, sama ka, check it, start ka, mag-join ka, sabay-sabay tayong matuto and sabay-sabay tayong mag-grow. Okay, so I think I wanna bring back the floor to Julia. Hi, Julia.
Hey Jasper, I don't know how I followed that. I mean it was just from Josie and everything that you guys have been through. I've been there before where it's been shaken out from underneath me and it's not a great feeling, but I don't believe in coincidences. God kind of led me here to this company in the same fashion and I'm so grateful for it and people need these products. 1 in 4 people are praying for a solution for their kids, for themselves. And it's just kind of a lonely place right now in the world. And we have an opportunity to not just give them hope, but give them a product that's proven to help them be happier and healthier. And it's one of the reasons why we've had 7 years of consecutive growth. So it's an honor to be on this call on a Saturday morning for you guys or a Saturday evening for me. But we have a lot of people to help, and I wouldn't have wanted to do it side by side with any other leadership team. So thank you, Jasper.
Yeah, I also want to call Julia, my wife. She want to say something. So, go ahead.
Hello, ayan, medyo naiiyak ako habang nagsasalita si Tita Josie. Hindi kasi ito madali. Hindi madali talaga yung nangyari. Alam ko, gusto pa natin yung isa, mahal pa natin. Despite na hindi na rin naman ganun kadali for the 300 subscription. Alam ko, struggle din lahat eh. And iniisip namin how to continue, ipinaglalaban pa natin, then nagkaroon ng issue sa customs. Pero sabi ko nga, baka God is leading doon sa mas hindi magiging mahirap. But alam niyo yon, hindi kaming mag-asawa. Alam niyo, may mga negosyo kami. We have restaurants. Okay naman kami. Pwede rin kaming magdrama muna ng 1 week, 2 weeks. But iniisip talaga namin yung mga tao. And ang daming masasamang tao outside. May mga bad networkers. Nakakausapin kayo. Katulad nung mga nangyari sa mga kasama nating leader before. Na napasama sila dun sa mga offer, sa mga promises. Walang nangyari sa kanila. Bumalik din lahat sila sa atin. And sinasabi nila because of the wrong decision, hindi natin sila na-guide. And kung kami, hindi pa namin i-decide to ngayon, alam ko, ang daming kumukontak sa inyo. Like, etong mga ganitong company, etong mga ganitong tao. So, kailangan namin kayong i-guide and dalin sa maganda. Jake Hines, sila, Kirsten, tinatawagan kami. Iniisip nila yung Philippines na gusto nila mapunta tayo sa magandang company and sabi nila it's Amare. Chinek namin and nakikita naman namin na hindi tayo mapapasama yung mga tao. Nakakagulat din. Meron tayong mga kasama ngayon na baka biglang naaano sila na I can direct to the company. Hindi na ako sasama kay Tita Josie, kina Jasper kasi ito. Tapos kakausapin nila yung mga tao natin sa kanila. Marami kayong marireceive na call. Marami kayong marireceive na kung ano-anong messages. Alam nyo, nag-usap nga kami siguro sa Life Vantage. Hindi pa kami doon nakabuhos ng 100%. Siguro kalahati pa lang yun. Pero sabi ko nga kay Jasper, totoo tayo dito. Kasi kami siguro nakuha namin yung travel doon. Siguro may mga na-achieve kami. Pero marami pa tayong kasama. Again, sinabi ko na to, na hindi pa naka-achieve. Pero dito, sabay-sabay tayo, sumabay kayo, and kumapit. Let's do this consistently, 100% kung papasok kayo. Kung hindi nyo rin tatrabahuhin at gagawin, siguro wag na. Pero kung papasok kayo, sasabay kayo, itodo natin. Para talagang may makuha kayo. And para talagang kumita talaga kayo. Yung road to leader, 350,000. Guys, tutukan natin yun. Tutukan nyo. That's only MC2. 25,000 volume lang yon. And ang kalamitan dito, nagawa nyo na yun before. Kung gagawin natin dito yung simula sa simula, lahat may 350,000. Huwag tayong pumasok dahil lang para huwag maiwan, para lang ganito. Isipin nyo na yung mga sarili nyo, yung family nyo, yung gusto nyo talagang marating. So, umiwas tayo sa chismis, makakabagal yan. So, let's, focus. Focus natin ngayon. Yung mga nakakausap ko, mga feedback nila, maganda yung products. Kapag mental, kailangan nila, yung mga kaibigan nila, kailangan nila. Kaya talaga, sabi ko, ang ganda nung mga signs. So, pero may mga bad signs din kasi may naririnig ako na yung iba nating kasama, baka hindi natin makasama kasi may ganitong grupo. Wala, kinalimutan na nila lahat ng nabutihang ginawa ni Tita Josie sa kanila. Yung simula-simulang naitulong, baliwala na. Talagang nabulagan na sila na magbubuo kami ganito, dito kami sa sali. Hindi ko alam kung may offer ba doon o kung ano yung nasa utak nila. Kinalimutan na nila yung team. Kinalimutan tayo. Kaya nilang gawin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero tayo, kayo nandito. pagtulong-tulungan natin. And kaya natin to. Exciting na talagang may kasama ding emosyon, pero wala tayong magagawa. Gusto natin pa doon, gusto din nila sa atin, pero meron talagang sitwasyon na hindi na talaga kakayanin. And si God, parang binibigay tayo sa atin ito. Magandang produkto, magandang complan, and kapag habang pinupuntahan nyo pa, nakakausap, talagang maa-amaze din talaga kayo. Miss Julia, yung system na dapat sisimulan natin, mas maganda pa yung system. Sobra. So talagang emotional, pero ito na yung iyak ko, na ilabas ko na. Parang nailabas ko ngayon kasi andito kayo. Pero eto na yun. After nito, trabaho na. So talagang totodo ko, makikita nyo yan. Papatunayan ko sa mga tao, nakala mo kung sino ngayon. Ayun lang. Thank you, Tita Josie. Thank you, Julia. Thank you, Jasper. And sa mga leaders na talagang andyan. Alam mo yun, may kinuwento sa akin si Jasper, merong bola na meron yun sa loob. Pag kinalog mo, meron sumasabog. Kinalog, may nangyari. Hindi pwedeng hindi sasabog yun. Bakit? Yun talaga yung loob niya. Merong ganun na plastic lang siya, pero kapag ka dumating na yung mga ganito, lalabas ang tunay na kulay. Huwag tayong magulat, may mga lalabas ngayon dahil sa sitwasyon natin na to. So, directly, kausapin nyo kami, Tita Josie, and yung mga leaders natin na nandito. Let's do this. Marami tayong plano. Sobrang gandang plano.
Yeah. So, given na kasi nga, with the situation that we have, the opportunity that we have, lalabas ang mga tunay na kulay ng tao talaga. Lalabas talaga ang tunay na kulay ng tao. So guys, warning ko lang sa inyo, baka may mga mag-message sa iyo, hindi ko alam, pero nangyari na to before. I think pwedeng mangyari ngayon. Kapag ka merong naninira kung sino man, tapos lalapit sa iyo, tingnan mo muna siya. Sino ba siya? Nakatulong ba siya sa iyo? Naging active ba siya? Talaga bang may performance ba siya? Talaga bang magandang attitude niya? Yun muna yung tingnan. Huwag kayong maniniwala agad, no? Tatandaan nyo kung sino ang naninira. Yun ang sirang tao. Tandaan nyo yan. So, just be careful kasi at least now, lalabas, no? It's a good thing as well kasi at least nakikita natin yung mga tunay ng mga kulay ng mga tao ngayon. So, you want to work with the right people, with the right attitude. Andito si Tita Josie na andito. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Mas maging maayos ang team natin, mas mabilis tayong lalaki, mas madali natin makukuha yung ating dreams, no? And with, of course, with the help of Julia. Alam mo guys, si Julia pa lang nakikita nyo, marami pa on the back of her that will support us, the company, talagang they are so much excited to embrace us and to help us. And that's a good thing, no? Coming from tayong nasa dapa ngayon na mayroong ganyang help, talagang napakaswerte natin. So, dito siya? Andito siya? Nandito na siya sa call? Okay, can I call on for a short lang, no? Para lang matawag natin si Doc Bobby. Doc Bobby, are you in the call?
Oh,
Hello, Doc Bobby. Doc Bobby, can you share naman something kasi I've heard about na you research na about the products para magka-idea
yeah.
kami.
Okay, good morning everyone. Pasensya na, I just came from church kasi kaya ngayon lang ako nakapasok. Pero hello Julia, hello Tita Josie, and yung mga leaders po natin here. Well, very devastating talaga yung nangyari sa atin. Ako rin nagulat. Pero after that, when I heard about there was already na advice sa atin that there's a better company. Or I mean, there's a company na sinuggest nila from the leaders from LV. And immediately I look into it. It's not it's something different from what we have before from activation. But when I look at it, uh, talking about what's needed right now in the Philippines. I think one of them is mental health talaga. So mental health is talking about stresses, talking about the different things that's happening inside our brain. Pero ang kagandahan about the product is that the good thing about the product is this is already connected with the totality of our health. So parang ang tinatawag natin is brain gut axis. When you talk about brain mentality, it also affects our gut, it affects our immunity, it affects our health. So I think when I tried reading the different products that we have with Amare, there's a greater chance that we could get more market with our products right now, especially with the younger generations. Before with LiveVantage, before we were talking about, ang mga clients lang natin before was mostly mga people with disease or sicknesses, hypertension, diabetes, elderlies. But right now, if we go for Amare, the products that we have right now, we could already catch the younger generations or younger communities na pwede we could already tap them so that we could talk to them about mental health. And especially here in the Philippines right now, when you talk about mental health, very common in the Philippines because of all the problems, stresses, emotional things na nangyayari. We need this now in the Philippines. And we could talk more. Right now, I am asking also Doc Fred, Doc Hazel, if we could collaborate with each other and learn about more about what the product can give us here in the Philippines. Kaya po, I am giving you a full hope na yung product natin right now from Amare, we could start this big in the Philippines. I am already trying to make a strategic way on how to convince Filipinos that ito na po yung kailangan natin right now. Well, honestly, it's something different from what we have before, but if we could just talk to Filipinos, our sincerest way para matulungan sila to help them, I think we could get the message to them that it is very important, that mental health is very important right now, especially in our society and our community in the Philippines. Maganda yung product, kuya. Wala akong masabi sa product. Maganda yung innovations nila. And I think, Julia, with Amari that we have, I think they can create more innovations with the products, right? So we are expecting that more innovations from the company, and with the right leadership from Tita Josie, from Kuya Jasper, and the rest of the leaders here, I think we could make Amari big in the Philippines. Yun lang, Kuya Jasper.
Wow, thank you, Doc. We're so excited. Thank you talaga, Doc. Paano na lang pag walang Doc Bobby? We're so blessed with you, Doc. So, Julia, sorry about the tears, but I promise you this is the last time we're gonna cry, because after this we're gonna do it full action. This is it. It's time to move on, and thank you that you're here to work with us, Sanina. Thank you, Tita Josie, for all your support sa mga nandito, mga teammates natin, guys. Tuloy ang laban. This is it. Let's go to the higher level. 'Di ba? Galingan natin, pagbutihin natin, ayusin natin ang mga attitude, ang leadership natin. Let's track the right people. Sa totoo lang, maraming nangangailangan ng tulong, maraming nangaharap ng opportunity, hindi nauubos. Again, mindset of abundance, hindi natin kaya ubusin ng tao sa Pilipinas. Napakaraming tao, huwag kang mag-alala, napakaraming. Ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na sa'yo, if you're gonna decide to start this, God will, meron nang nakalaan si God para sa'yo ng mga tamang tao, andyan talaga sila, na they are destined to be part of your group. No, all you have to do is just be the right person, and ma-attract natin yan. Let's work together, let's grow together as a team. Thank you again for this call. So again, we will remind you for the next call. So Tita, kailan ang natin? Kailan po ang ating office visit po?
Hello? Narinig mo?
Yes, Tita.
Can you hear me? Okay. So we think tomorrow. So I'm flying back to Australia bukas. So for those of you who are in Manila, let's huddle doon. Anong oras, Jasper?
Tita,
Hello?
at what time po ang
Hindi.
flight? Choose
I need to be at the airport by 5 p.m.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, we're going to inform you. So let's, yeah, we're going to send a message just to the team. So let's get Julia back because I know it's late where they are, and let's get Julia to close this meeting. So thank you.
Okay. Back to you, Julia.
Yeah, do you want me to end the meeting?
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
All right, good to see everyone. Cheers. God bless.